The Apple MacBook Pro 14, 2023, is a powerful laptop that was introduced in 2023. Here are 6 points about the MacBook Pro 14, 2023. The MacBook Pro 14, 2023, is available in 4 finishes: silver, space gray, starlight, and midnight. The laptop is powered by the Apple M2 Pro chip, which has a 10-core or 12-core CPU with 6 or 8 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, a 16-core or 19-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine. The laptop has a 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display with a resolution of 3024 by 1964 pixels. The laptop has a 200 GB per second memory bandwidth and can be configured with up to 32 GB of memory. The laptop has a 512 GB or 1 TB SSD storage. The laptop is praised for its performance, design, and features. It's worth noting that the specifications and features of the MacBook Pro 14, 2023, may vary depending on the specific model and configuration.